On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram widescreen easy and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Please keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do is open the settings page on your phone and then go to the apps manager, as you can see right here, and then it will take you to this page where you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Click on Instagram, and then right here make sure to click on the storage. Click on this clear cache and clear data, and then go back, and this time click on this data usage option and make sure to enable all those options right here. Go back, click on storage, and this time click again here on clear data, and now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.